Why automate web form filling?
Filling out web forms manually can become tedious, especially if you do it often. Automating this process with Python can save you time, reduce errors, and free you from repetitive tasks. This guide shows you how Python can fill out forms for you, making daily workflows faster and easier.
Tools you need: Python and Selenium.
To automate web form filling, you need Python installed on your computer and a tool called Selenium. Selenium is a popular library that allows you to control web browsers through Python scripts. With these tools, you can program Python to interact with web pages just like a person would.
How the automation process works.
First, Python launches a browser window using Selenium. Then it navigates to the website with the form. Your script tells Python to find input fields like text boxes or checkboxes, and it automatically fills them with the data you provide. Finally, Python can even click the Submit button for you.
A simple example: filling a login form.
Imagine you want to log into a website automatically. Using Selenium, write a script that opens the login page, enters your username and password, and clicks the Login button. You tell Python which HTML elements are the input fields, and it handles the rest as if you had typed everything yourself.
Staying safe and responsible.
Always use automation respectfully and according to the website's rules. Never use scripts to spam forms or violate terms of service. For added security, avoid storing sensitive information like passwords in your scripts. Automation is a powerful tool. Use it wisely to boost productivity.